bought a new pair, so I think I'm gonna be reviewing that new batch pretty soon. Here's the Nike logo at the top, and here is the inside of the shoe. Here is the tag. I hope you guys are able to see that. But what do you guys think? Like, leave a comment down below and let me know if the shoe looks decent, bad. Like, I don't know, you know what I'm saying? Like, I personally like it. I am not an expert on original pairs, clearly, because most of the reps I get on the mail are perfect to me, honestly. And I get nothing but compliments when I wear them. So I will keep wearing them. So yeah, guys, I will give you, like I said, closer shots right at the end of the video. I need to go ahead and record them. But I want to encourage you once again, please subscribe to the channel. And I have so many videos in clothes as well. So if you're interested on reps for clothes, like designer clothes, let me know in the comments. I got you, because I have some fire clothes. I believe I have a couple items already in the mail. I'm looking behind the camera and have a stack of shoes and clothes. So yes, I'm gonna keep recording all videos today. So if you see me with the same shirt for the next 5 videos, it's because I recorded them all the same day. So yeah, thanks for watching. Close-ups coming soon. And thanks for all the support. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.